A very good morning to all of you, my kids. So, how are you children? I hope all are you doing well. So, this is very lovely morning. It's a sunny day and it's a Monday, first day of the week. So, children, now all of you ready for today's class? After Sunday, after holiday, all of you ready? Very good. Okay, so let's start our class. Sit properly and watch the video carefully. Okay, so children, can you tell me which sound we have learned on Friday? We have learned V sound. Yes. V. And we have learned some vocabulary words of V sound. And these are for vase. What is this, children? For vase. We put the flowers in the vase. Okay. And tell me, children, what is this? This is for van. Van. And what is the song of V sound? Drivix went round the village. Drivix went round the village. Drivix went round the village. Yes, and van is a vehicle. Van गाड़ी होती है. Okay. Now here is the picture of vegetables. Yes, these are four vegetables. Tomato, bottle gourd, chili, pumpkin, capsicum, onion, brinjal, cauliflower, potato. All these are four vegetables. Yes? Okay. Now, tell me, what is this? What is this, children? This is for violin. For violin. And violin is an instrument. Yes? जब हम वायलिन को प्ले करते हैं तो इसमें से म्यूजिक निकलता है, एक ट्यून निकलती है. ओके. And now this is, which bird is this, children? Vulture. Vulture. Vulture is a bird. Okay. So children, we have learned V sound and today we will learn how to write V sound. And this is V sound. This is very easy to write with slanting lines. Here you can see one slanting line and then one more slanting line. Yes, with two slanting line we can write V sound. So today we will write and trace V sound in your alphabet small letters book. So be ready with your book and pencil. So today we will learn V sound. Okay. Okay, so children, this is your alphabet small letters book and take out page number 105, 105 and here you can see the dots for V sound. Which sound is this, children? V sound. Now we will trace the lines, slanting lines for V sound. Here you can see we will trace one standing line, then second. This is V sound with 2 slanting lines. Now one more time, children. Trace the line. Trace the dots for standing line. Then from here, again slanting line. This is 2 slanting line, 1 and 2 slanting line, V sound. Now turn the page 106. For V sound, here you can see, children, the dots, and we will trace all the dots 1 and 2. Here you can see in these 2 lines, 1 and 2, we will write V sound. Trace the dots and write V sound. One more time. Trace the dot with 2 slanting line and write V sound. Like this, children. We will trace all the slanting lines. Here you can see with 2 slanting line we can write V sound. Which sound we are writing, children? V sound. And you can say when you are writing 1 and 2 slanting line, V sound. So now we will write ourselves, children. See how ma'am is writing. 1 slanting line and 2 slanting line. Like this, we will write V sound. So children, today we have learned V sound with 2 slanting line. Write in 2 lines and write the full page for V sound. So children, here you can see that today we have learned V sound with 2 slanting lines. Like this, children, you have to trace and write V sound with 2 slanting lines. And children, now we will meet again tomorrow with new sound, with new activities. So till then, take care, bye bye, and keep learning, children.